This is a US military issue MRE, meal ready to eat. This is a Canadian MRE. Let's compare them. So welcome to the studio, guys. I'd love to go out there and do a big old outdoor cool guy setup, but it is what it is, and you guys will probably get to see the items a lot better this way. If you don't know MREs, well, I can't help you. As a grunt, I probably ate 1,000 of these. I lived off of them for weeks at a time, but I am one of those weirdos that can still eat them no problem. And I can still eat them like a grunt, not even using the heater. I've done plenty of videos explaining them. They'll be linked down in the description. Let's dig in. So this is the beef patty with jalapenos. That's right, I said it. Let's see what all we got. Now, first thing to go over is a myth. So many people, there was a Joe rumor that, oh, MREs have like 5,000 calories. That's why all the soldiers are fat. Bullshit. The highest calorie MRE I've ever seen was the old winter MREs, and they were mostly breakfast items. Almost twice the size of these, and you would still get 2,500 calories in there. So, I don't know what kind of MREs you guys had, but I've seen them from the late 80s all the way up to 2020. Never saw a 5,000 calorie MRE. Joe rumors, guys, that's how things happen. Your typical MRE is going to have a main menu and a major snack. Now we're going to measure this by calorie count, nutritional value, and cool guy effect. So, main menu, we've got the hamburger, which is like a square, probably mostly soy type of thing. Now, these are the newer versions. I have ripped open the bag, I don't know where it is, but they used to all come in their own little individual boxes. It made it bulky. They realized soldiers hated that, so they quit doing it. So now they give you these little cards with the nutritional values. And one of them is going to be the nutritional value card, as well as a sleeve. So you can put your MRE in the heating element, slide it in there so it kind of stays closed, lay it down. That's how it goes. All right, so the burger, like I said, it contains soy. It's probably mostly soy. And tons of ingredients. Look at all this crap over here, guys. See, I couldn't show this stuff to you in the woods. Look at all that. Now people are gonna complain, oh, that's why soldiers are fat and unhealthy, blah, blah, blah. It's also what makes these dang things last so long, all right? So it's a double-edged sword. All right, so your burger has 140 calories, 14 grams of protein, not bad. The major snack, this is one of my favorites, cherry blueberry cobbler. What do we got? 180 calories. I'll look over there, you're right, my left, all those ingredients. It's also part of keeping this stuff fresh. So 180 calories, a delicious snack. Most of the grunts generally don't eat the entire MRE. We break it down, field strip it. You can fit 2 entire days worth of food in one MRE bag. Field strip it, get rid of the crap you don't want, whatever you're not gonna eat. Get it in there, duct tape this thing up. You also have a shit bag and a trash bag. Emergency water gathering bag too, but not a shit bag and a water gathering bag, for obvious reasons. So we have our heating element. Now what I've found with the American MREs, the first thing to go bad is gonna be this. So I have MREs that are 10 years old. Everything is fine, tastes fine, they hold up very well, but the heating element stops working. Not sure what that is. Then we got some tortillas, plain. No brand names, nothing like that. And of course, it's a ton of fake flour and everything. So there's 2 in here, we got 220 calories. All right, then we start to get down into just the snacky snacks. So we've got oatmeal, chocolate chunk, not chip, chocolate chunk cookie, TFF. Whatever the hell the TFF is, I forgot. 280 calories. So this is your biggest calorie punch so far, just the dang cookie. This is one of the few brand names you're gonna see in the American MREs. Plain M&Ms, yummy. Awesome snack. I would usually take these out when I field strip mine, put these somewhere I can easily get so I can eat them on the go. Fast sugars, fast energy. 230 calories, wow. We're over 1,000 calories now, and that's mostly it. All right, so we got our cheese spread with bacon, yummy. So sometimes this stuff goes bad, but again, there's so much crap in there. This is all the ingredients. It's gonna kill you before it goes sour. with all the crap in there. 120 calories. The cheeses, peanut butter, stuff like that, that's usually gonna be the stuff I'm also gonna have in my pocket where I can just grab it out, mush it up real quick and freaking suck on it. Got some fast calories in. Fat is more of a long burning calorie, but it's still good to have as a snack. So then we just got some ketchup. Let's go ahead and count the calories if it has it. 10 calories, okay. I don't know if you're gonna be munching on ketchup by itself, but we're counting it. And we got some mustard. This is new for me, 10 calories. Then we got all the fun stuff. So this one is already opened. I haven't removed anything yet, I just opened it. So this is like what we call the condiment package. You're gonna have all this extra stuff in there. That's usually what goes. So some napkins, butt paper, we got some sugar, we got some salt, baby wipes, moist towelette. Let's count the sugar because that is 4 grams of sugar equals 15 calories. Now the Army started going to these instant coffees. Very cool. And what you could do, we started getting these beverage bags. So this is also an emergency water gathering system. You could purify water with it, but it's usually used in conjunction with your heater. So when you're heating your meal up, you put your water in there. It's got a fill line for you. Put your coffee in there next to the heater. There you go. You got nice and warm coffee. I would usually just dip the coffee, like use it as dip. A lot of guys did that. Or the instant stuff, you just eat it. Warm coffee in the field as a grunt is definitely a comfort item. So we got this beverage base orange type powder. So it's a rip-off Gatorade. It's not an electrolyte powder because it doesn't have all the electrolytes. It's essentially sugar and salt. 30 calories. And then the most lightweight spoon you could ever have and use. It's on most grunts kit somewhere. The light plastic long spoon. Some guys would keep 1 spoon for their entire field rotation and throughout most of their deployments. So, our total calories, we are at 1,235. And guys, I'm gonna throw out a lot of this stuff. So I'm not eating the cookie, that's minus 280 something calories, and there you go. All right, I do have other MREs from other countries, so we will be going through those. I've tried many of other militaries' MREs. I've tried pretty much all the NATO countries, but I do not have any more German or Dutch ones. So if you know someone who knows someone's, hit me up. The next one is gonna be Lithuanian, because I got a bunch of those laying around. So anyway, let's get to the Canadian one. America, 1,235. So, we're empty. Now I thought this was just a rinky-dink paper bag, but it actually has a pretty decent liner in there. So waterproofness, maybe some temperature protection. Let's dig in. So I did remove the boxes from these because I was gonna field strip it. This is the chili menu. And already I notice a significant difference. Check this out. Brand name. Brand name. Brand name. Brand name. Canadian military loves Nestle. Anyway, it seems like they're allowed to get away with more brand name stuff. Look at this, man. A real napkin. All right. So let's throw that in there. Let's get to the food. So, which one is this? Sliced apples. That is an awesome snack. And we got the box right here. 150 calories. That's barely energy for like a sprint or two. All right, and then the main menu. I'm gonna keep these out of their box. So there's the apples, there's the chili, main menu. And so you notice, this is the chili. A lot less ingredients. So yeah, the Canadian one might be healthier for you, but how much longer is it gonna last? Probably not as long. So you can have sustainable food or you can have healthy food. You can't have both. Sliced apples, also not too much crap in there. A calorie count on the chili, 370. So the chili definitely packs a good punch. 34 grams of protein. All right. They even give you a hamburger bun to dip into your chili. That's cool. I didn't even get bread with the American MRE. You used to get a bread slice, but now they would start to pick and choose whether you get an extra dessert or a better snack, or the crappy bread we would get. All right, so yeah, this is your typical white flour buns. The health nuts are gonna be upset with that, but soldiers, we don't care about that. We need calories. All right, 200 calories in these buns. Okay, we're over 720 now. Now let's get to, what do we got here? Crunchy barbecue mix, mixed nuts. Yummy. We started getting more of that in our MREs. And of course, this is a good fat source. This is something you want to snack on at night before you go to bed on those cooler nights. Fat helps keep you warm. 235 calories. Next decent snack is this coffee crisp from Nestle. And of course, it's junk food. We need calories, 260. Now we have 2 fruit punch powders, 2 of them. And they have a beverage bag. It does not have, oh, you know, there's your marker line right there. Sports drink / coffee. And this is a heavy duty bag. Like, this reminds me of the Sawyer water gathering bags. It's a lot smaller. It's not gonna hold as much, but it could come in handy for water gathering. And you know, you could even waterproof your phone with this. Interesting. 80 calories a piece. So plus 160. Alright, so we're already over the American MRE. We're at 1375 now. Now you got this Nescafe sweet and creamy coffee. That means it's going to have some sugar and creamer in there. That means it's going to have calories. No calories, but we do have Google. 90 calories in the 22 gram packet. Cool. 90. And, ooh, peanut butter. Canadian peanut butter. Yeah, that'll be a great road snack. Looking forward to trying that. 20 grams. And look, just for peanut butter, look at all those ingredients. That's how you get it to last that long, guys. So 20 grams of peanut butter. Look that one up. Sounds like a tablespoon, which would be 100 and something calories. 118, pretty close. Then, ooh, another market brand, hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot, 10 calories. Now we've got some Tic Tacs, pretty cool. The Americans get gum, Canadians get Tic Tacs. Of course they get their matches. Are they water resistant like ours? Keep matches away from children. Canadians have to deal with stupidity too. They don't have any kind of waterproof or water resistant coating like ours do. No, these are just standard matches. Okay, so these definitely, you can't soak ours, but in very damp conditions they'll light. So I thought this was a mint or piece of gum, but this is one of those expandable towels. So you just dip it in some water and it, yeah, do not eat. Wow, okay, so Canadians have morons up there too. Shocker. Just add water. So the total calorie count, 1,593 calories. Oh, and check this out, guys. The Canadians get a spork, an actual spork, which these teeth would eventually fall apart. That's why we don't like sporks in the field, but Canadians probably ain't reusing the same spoon like us dummies are. But I noticed it's longer, so this is gonna work in your backpacking meals. Interesting that it's the same color. I wonder if it's the same company. So look at the length difference. That's what she said. So the Canadian ones, they're gonna help you out more with the standard backpacking pouch meals that are very deep. They're both heavy and cumbersome as hell. Are you taking all of these out in the field in the main packages? Absolutely not. Well, you shouldn't. But very cool, and I'm actually very excited to try out the Canadian chili. I have very high hopes. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for future MRE tests. Out.